Bonjour! Hello, you're watching King Toe. I'm your host Francois and today I am in the studio. Alright, just kidding, it's not Francois, it's just me, Benny, King Toe. And yeah, today I've got something special. I am going to do a DIY, sort of. It won't be like a tutorial. Maybe I'll just explain what I did, but it won't be like a real tutorial where I explain how to do it. While I'm still inside, I try to keep myself busy and I'm going to transform these pants into something new, something I might like. Or maybe I'll totally f up and then I won't be able to wear the pants anymore. We'll see. Let's get right into the video. It's a day today. I don't know which day it is actually. It's Thursday, but it doesn't matter. Until now I've showed you guys that I hemmed these jeans, so I shortened them. And what I'm going to do right now is to actually bleach them. I'm going to bleach dye these jeans and make, well, a custom pair of designer pants, I guess. I hope they will look good. Let's say, I don't know actually what I'm going to do. I'll just improvise. Yeah, I'll see what I do. I'll see what I do with these jeans. Let's get into bleaching these denim black pants. Right, so you might be wondering, why would I make a video like this? Well, basically, it all started when I was a little boy. I was only 6 years old when I realized that I really wanted to become a designer. It was at that age when I saw the light in front of me. I knew that I was destined for greatness, for things like this, for YouTube videos like this, for do-it-yourself type of content like this. And now, 16 years later, I'm here making this video for you guys. Alright, Dad, as you guys may or may not know, I'm kinda into clothing and shoes, especially shoes. Follow my Instagram page. You probably don't, but you might as well because it's fun. I post lots of content on my Instagram. Well, not lots, but like I tend to post from time to time. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the results of the pants.
Let's go. We see the hype outside, right from the house. Took it straight from outside, straight to the couch. We put the mic outside, edit shit out.
Here are my pants, La Flame pants. I can still smell the bleach on these pants. Basically what I did was I shortened the legs, so I hemmed the pants. And then after hemming them, I just poured a lot of bleach on these pants. Do I like the design? Actually, I kind of do. I mean, maybe I just did a little bit too much. This part I like a lot. But then there's this, well actually there's like no more black on the legs. I kind of did not expect that to happen, but bleach is like water, so it just continues to spread all over the pants. I'll probably wear these pants outside. I'll rate these pants a solid 7.5 out of 10, I guess. 7.5, yeah. Well, yeah, Respect the Drip. Welcome to the first episode of Respect the Drip, or basically I should say this was the first episode of Respect the Drip. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure just to like the video then. If you did not like the video, then just dislike the video. Honestly, it's your opinion, so I guess I can't really choose whether or not you do. But it would help out a lot if you like the video. If you're new, subscribe. It's been your boy, King Toe, your ruler, King Toe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.